So, hi everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Today we will see 5 questions they ask in SBI PO 2020 prelims oral examination, and in one batch they ask 5 wrong number series. So now we will see 5 missing number series which they have asked in SBI PO 2020 prelims oral examination. So when you see first one here, 400, 394, 378, 352, 316, then question mark or dash is there. So when you see the difference here, difference is not increasing fast. So definitely it follows the difference logic only. So here how much difference is there? This is nothing but minus 6. This is nothing but minus 16. This is nothing but minus 26. This is nothing but minus 36. So minus 6, minus 16, minus 26, minus 36. 10 difference is there. Here it will be minus 46. So what is my answer? 316 minus 46 is nothing but 270. My answer is nothing but 270. Next one, second one, 31, 42, 49, 54, 57. Then question mark or dash is there. So again difference is not increasing fast. So definitely it follows difference logic only. Here how much difference is there? This is plus 11. This is plus 7. This is plus 5. This is plus 3. Now while seeing this difference here, did you got any idea? This is nothing but 11, 7, 5, 3. These numbers are prime number. So next time after 3 is nothing but 1. So what is my answer? 58. Then third one, 6, 8, 14, 26, 46 dash. So again here this is plus 2. This is plus 6. This is plus 12. This is plus 20. So here you can say this is this logic is nothing but 1 square plus 1. This is 2 square plus 2. This is 3 square plus 3. This is 4 square plus 4. Next will be how much? 5 square plus 5. 5 square is 25 plus 5 is 30. What is my answer? My answer is nothing but 76. Fourth one, 76, 80, 107, 123 dash 284. So again here how much difference is there? Plus 4. This is plus 27. This is plus 16. So all these numbers are familiar perfect square or perfect cube number. This is plus 2 square. This is plus 3 cube. This is plus 4 square. 2 square, 3 cube, 4 square. Next number will be 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but how much? 125 plus 2 square plus 3 cube plus 4 square plus 5 cube. So what is my answer? My answer is 258. Again cross verify. Plus 5 cube. This is plus 3 square. So it is nothing but how much? This is 248. This is 248. So 248 plus 36 is nothing but 284. Last one, 72,000, 36,000, 12,000, 3,600 dash. So series is decreasing. So its best way to solve or approach is nothing but go from right to left. So when you go from right to left, this is into 5, this is into 4, this is into 3, this is into 2. So into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, next will be into 6. If you go from left to right, you have to multiply. If you go from right to left, that is what we are doing, you need to divide. So 600 by 6, what is the answer? 100. So my answer is nothing but 100. So I hope you are clear with the 5 missing number series. Now we will see 5 wrong number series. So first one, 5, 18, 34, 54, 79, 110, 158. So basic difference between missing number series and wrong number series is, when it comes to missing number series, you have to identify the pattern and then you have to find the next number. Here when it comes to wrong number series, from this series itself you need to identify the pattern and then you have to see which pattern is not followed. That will be your wrong number. So when you see here 5, 8, 5, 18, 34, 54, 79, 110, 158. So when you see the difference here, how much difference is there? This is plus 13. This is how much? Plus 16. This is how much? Plus 20. This is how much? Plus 25. This is how much? Plus 31. So difference, second difference is nothing but how much? Plus 3. This is plus 4. This is plus 5. This is plus 6. Next will be plus 7. So this is plus 38. So 110 plus 38 is 148, not 158. So my wrong number is 158. Second one, 112, 128, 108, 132, 104, 134, 100. So this is nothing but alternate series. When you see the difference here, this is -4, this is again -4, this is again -4. So here no problem is there. But when you see here 128, this is +4, this will be +4. So 132 plus 4 is 136, not 134. Next one, 5, 6, 14, 45, 184, 920, 556. So 184, 920, 556. So that means this follows multiplication plus addition or subtraction logic. This is into 1 plus 1. This is into 2 plus 2. This is into 3 plus 3. And this is into 4 plus 4. This is into 5 plus 5. 5 into 4 is 20 plus 5 is number ends with 5. So this is my wrong number. This is my wrong number. My answer will be 925. Then fourth one, 10, 22, 35, 50, 68, 92, 117. Again, when you see the pattern here, so here how much difference is there? This is plus 12, this is plus 13, this is plus 15, this is plus 18, and this is how much? Plus 24. Second difference is nothing but plus 1, plus 3, plus 2, this is plus 2, plus 1, plus 2, this is plus 3, this will be plus 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. So when you add 22 here, it is 90. So my wrong number is nothing but 92. Then last one, 64, 34, 36, 56, 114, 287, 860. 64 half is 32, but here 34 is there, and into 1 plus something is 36. That means this series belongs to multiplication plus addition or subtraction. This is half. 64 half is 32 plus 2 is 34. This is into 1 plus 2. Okay, into 0.5 into 1 plus 2 is common. So this will be into 1.5 plus 2. Check here. 36 into half, 1.5 is nothing but 3 by 2. 18 is 54 plus 2 is 56. So this is correct. This is into 2 plus 2. 56 into 2 is 112 plus 2 is 114. This is also correct. Then this is into 2.5 plus 2. 114 into 5 by 2. So this is 57 into 5 is 285 plus 2, 287. This is also correct. But when you see here, this is into 3 plus 2. 7 is a 21. 1 plus 2 will give you 3, not 0. This is my wrong number. And when you multiply, this is 860 plus this number is nothing but how much? 863. Nothing but 863. So I hope you are clear with 5 missing number series which they have asked in SBI PO Prelims 2020, and then 5 wrong number series also which they have asked in any one shift in 2020 SBI PO Prelims level examination. So do practice well. Already SBI Clerical 2021 notification has come and application has already started from 27th of April itself, and the last date is nothing but 17th of May. So prepare well, practice well, concentrate more and more on speed max, because you will be having 20 questions. That means from missing number series or wrong number series, along with simplification and quality question, you will be having 20 questions. Plus you will be having arithmetic and DI. So prepare well, focus well. Thanks a lot.